Hello the people, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Quinty and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a fermented yogurt drink, which is actually called KOSSAM. It's originated from Cameroon and it's very yummy, very healthy as well. So if you're watching my video for the very first time, please why don't you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up as well, and click on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you will be the first to get notified. So let's get straight into the video. So for this recipe we will need 1 liter of milk, and then you also need 120 grams of sugar and about 220 grams of yogurt. Now you have your ingredients, so that's just all you need for this. You need to get your pot or a very big bowl where you're going to mix everything. So basically what I'm doing now is to make sure that it's completely mixed, like transferring it from one bowl to another, just to make sure that it's completely mixed. So this is actually an optional stage, but to make sure everything is completely mixed, you don't want lumps in your drink. You have to perhaps cross check again to make sure that there are no lumps and it's perfectly mixed. Then now you have to seal the container. Remember that we started by putting it in the pot because we had to cook it for some time. Then you have to put it in a container, a very big bowl, and you have to let it to ferment for 24 hours. Very, very important. 24 hours or 48 hours. That's 1 to 2 days depending on you. For this case I left mine for 2 days. You can leave yours, because I think it also has to do with the cold temperature. If you're back home, I think 1 day is enough. 2 days, because my temperature here is it's not warm, it's cold, so it takes time for anything to ferment in colder regions. So yeah, I had to let mine to ferment for 2 more days, and then you can see the next day it thickened up and your kosam drink is ready. Very yummy, delicious. You can add some sugar to suit your taste. Guys, let me know if you like what you're seeing, and if you watch this to this point, can you just please type creamy in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what do you think? And of course, if you know KOSSAM or if you have anything related to KOSSAM in your country, please can you let me know in the comment section below. Let's discuss. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching to this point, and I hope you enjoyed the video of how to make KOSSAM at home. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click on the post notification bell as well, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.